Hey everyone, I've got the results of our puzzle challenge. So we gave a challenge on January 13th for how many students and staff could complete puzzles between January 13th and National Puzzle Day, which was January 29th. And I got a whole bunch of pictures in. Miley's was really cool because those are all pictures of her family in that puzzle. Grace sent in a beautiful one. Miss Balstead did a bunch of them. She sent me a bunch of pictures. Aubrey had this gorgeous one of these animals. Ella had some cool little Disney critters in there. I did an Earth one and a couple others. Logan had this really neat one about US Bank Stadium with the Vikings. Miss Amundsen did this one. She only had 999 pieces. She was really bummed about that. And then guess what? She found the other piece while she was cleaning up, I think, her Christmas tree, she said. So that one's completed now for 1,000 pieces. Devin did this really cool panoramic one. And Miss Tredenick did this one that the Bike Club might appreciate. So what was our grand total? Drum roll. 11,950 puzzle pieces from 18 different puzzles. So great job, Bachman. We'll try it again next year.